Our mission at the Achievable Health Center is to provide high-quality, integrated health care for people with developmental disabilities, intellectual disabilities, and their families, and other vulnerable populations. If we didn't exist, there'd be that less quality care for people in that community.
We go out of our way to make sure that we hire people who are really different, because our population of clients is very different from other health centers. We need people who really understand the deeper needs of our population, who really care about our population, who are willing to either bring with them or acquire special treatments that our population might need, special education for our population. And it shows up. You meet our people and they have an enthusiasm about their work.
When I heard about the Achievable Health Center, I was really drawn to the mission of caring for vulnerable populations and people with intellectual and developmental disabilities. I had experience in community health centers before and recognized that there were patients, especially those with special health care needs, that we weren't doing a great job of taking care of in a traditional practice. So the idea of focusing on people with developmental disabilities and creating a space where they're welcome was really interesting to me and seemed like such an obvious solution to a difficult problem.
Achievable has grown quite a bit since we opened our doors in 2013. And in that first year, we saw 73 patients. In our most recent report, we saw over 1,900 patients. So we've had quite a bit of growth, averaging in the last 2 years about a 20% patient growth.
I like just the overall level of service. You know, whenever we come here, we're greeted. The staff, they know my daughter, they know her by name, and they make us feel very warm and comfortable.
Achievable seems to go further and beyond the other healthcare providers that I've been to. Because when we here and when we leave, we feel welcome, warm-hearted feeling that we have from Achievable, and we're happy when we leave here. Not only I could just bring just one or two of my kids, I can bring all of them. And I was surprised that I can join too. So we come as one big family to Achievable.
What makes working at the Achievable Health Center different from other clinics I've worked at really has to do a lot with the camaraderie among the staff and my colleagues. Knowing that we're here really for the altruistic side of medicine, to work with people in our community.
What I like about Achievable is that they don't treat you like a number. They treat you like a person. They take the time out to see what your problems are. They take the time out to know who you are.
Being treated at Achievable means a lot to me because they look at me as a whole person, not my disability, and they have doctors who know about developmental issues and they know how to distinguish between the disability, the person, and the patient.
I can feel confident that I'm going to get quality care and I'm going to get good service, and my daughter's going to feel very comfortable.
Dr. C she's nice and sweet. She said she makes me smile, and she's the best doctor.
Achievable has impacted my health by taking me and it has literally given me my life back.